We should all know by now that regular, consistent exercise is beneficial to your health. It basically helps you live longer and enjoy a higher quality of life. Regular exercise has multiple health benefits, particularly on your blood pressure, your heart rate, your glucose levels, your blood sugar, triglyceride levels, and even your cognition, your mental clarity. It's one of those free things that you can do that has a 10x effect on your health. Much more powerful than seeing your doctor, taking supplements. If you want to avoid pain, if you want to live longer, if you want to envision your 70s and 80s being pain-free and being able to move, then you want to definitely start incorporating exercise, regular exercise, into your routine. When you do your exercise, I want you to ask yourself if it meets these criteria. Number one, it engages multiple muscle groups. Number two, it increases your heart rate to about 120 to 150% of resting. And it has elements of balance and coordination. The main topic I want to discuss today is functional exercises. A lot of people, when they exercise and go to the gym, it's about dumbbells, curling, bench pressing, especially guys, bench pressing, squats. Now these are fine. They target specific muscles, your legs, your arms. But I ask you, are there anything that you do in the course of a day where you just use one arm to pick something up and everything else is stationary? These traditional weightlifting exercises are good for strengthening individual muscles, but they don't really do that much for coordination. And coordination is essential. Let's go back to evolutionary biology. When you look at any organism, including yourself, you look at its design and realize that it's the product of millions of years of evolution. Those selection pressures in the environment shaped our species and formed it into what it is today. So you look at your hands, look at your arms, your joints, your pelvis, your knees, and ask yourself, hey, what is nature trying to tell me? Why do I have legs that look like this, and arms that bend this way, and shoulders that support my arms and back? What did nature build me for? Then you take that and you come up with movements that can optimize the use of those muscles. With functional exercises, you're engaging multiple muscle groups and engaging in movements that move them in different planes and different arcs that exploit their design, and in the process fine-tune your neuromuscular skeletal system. The term neuromuscular refers to the brain, spinal cord, and nerve connections integrated into your muscular system. So these muscles don't work by themselves, they have to be controlled by your brain. And there's multiple areas in your brain, your motor cortex, your cerebellum, your brainstem, that are involved in contracting your muscles in a very fine, precise sequence. The sequence of firing of these muscle fibers, for example, when you bend down and lift something off the ground, that sequence is precise, and the amount of tone that is determined by the neurons that are firing, it's all very precise. And when you do functional exercises, you're strengthening that. When you reach your later years and all those exercises that you did are now solidly programmed in your neuromuscular system, then you're going to be in pretty good shape. You know, a lot of elderly people fall down because of loss of coordination. If you incorporated functional exercises well before then, I don't think you're going to have a problem falling. I'll demonstrate one functional exercise to give you an idea of what it's all about, and you can go from there in creating your own. I'm going to use a Go Plus weight bag. This is a canvas bag, and you could put sandbags inside them, 10-pound sandbags. It comes with 6 of them, so you could make it at least 60 pounds. Then you carry it, and you can do all kinds of things with it. Okay, just bend your knees, keep your knees straight. Pick it up like this, and put the thing on your back. I like this because it simulates a caveman putting a deer on his shoulder. And then just walk around. You get the idea. Do some squats like this. Okay, to strengthen your quads. Do a combination of functional and traditional exercises to get the best of both worlds. Just walk up and down your street with this thing. It may look funny to your neighbors, but hey, maybe you could teach them something about it too. It's not as pretty as a bench press or a curl. Okay, when I just did this, that programmed my brain to control my biceps, triceps, forearm muscles, wrist muscles, back muscles, all at the same time to keep this thing balanced. Now I'll put this behind my back like this. Just walk around. Obviously when you do it, walk further, like I said, down the street. You can go up your stairs in your house, be very careful. You could even use it to do this. This could be pulling something up from the ground, keep your back straight. You could even toss this to a partner, toss it to each other, catch it. I also like to use the weight ball that can bounce. Just throw it down hard, go like this. Other side. What does this look like? Can you guess? How about chopping wood? These are called wood choppers. But let's do this slowly. Look what it's exercising. My arms, my wrists, my core. Okay, my core, my lats. Then you accelerate it like this. That's your obliques, your rectus abdominis. You could also throw this to a partner. No, someone over there. Catch it. Throw it up in the air. I'll make some other videos on other aspects of exercise, like how to make it fun and how to fit it into a busy routine. So stay tuned. If this is the first time you visited my channel, just want to know I produced 1 or 2 videos a week. My content centered on self-managing musculoskeletal pain, improving mobility, and achieving a high quality of life. If you opt into my blog, Ask Dr. P, you'll get a free 30 days to pain-free challenge. It's a series of instructional strategies to help people with even the most entrenched chronic types of pain gain some ground. It's got some cool information that's nicely summarized. I think you'll like it. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please share if you know someone who could use this information. See you in the next video.